Hey everyone, I am Asif here and you are watching Courseveda. And in today's video, I am going to tell you about how to use Git to get that. So, if you are living in this world, some things are obvious right now. Like if you have COVID, you are not going anywhere, and so I request you all to wear your fucking mask. If you are cyberpunk, you are just shit right now and full of bugs. And if you are a programmer, you are definitely single. So let me tell you how you can use Git to get that.
So yeah, bitches, I was not kidding. You can really use Git to get her. Let me tell you how it's done. So Git is a simple version control system and you can use it to your advantage. You can go back to whatever version you want, whenever you want, actually whenever she wants, and you can check out at any time to get all the differences using Git diff. So let me tell you how it all starts. So you see this girl and suddenly now you are interested in her. So you go back home and search how to get her, and now you are searching more and more, getting really interested in her, and now you in your head you start the process of how you can get her. So you initialize and then you start having feelings for her. So in your mind you check what feelings you have and you write them down. I really like her and want to the rest of my life with her, and then you add these feelings to your personality, and in your blank head you commit to her. Added feelings for her, and now you can check the status in your head anytime you want, and in your head now you think everything is going perfect, so why not ask her for the date, and you then start thinking that what can be the location for the date. So you start with adding a remote origin, and now you have a origin in your mind and everything is going according to you check again if the origin is right for you or not, and you think that it is all good. So you are now really pushing yourself that I can get her to the date. So at this point of time we all know that you really like her, you are really nervous and you are really anxious. You want to know if everything will go right or wrong. You want to know if you are on the same page with your mind or not. So you try by pulling some stuff together and you think everything is up to date, but you suddenly have a thought, what if there's an issue, what will I do? So you don't want your issue to affect your relationship, so you think that you will create a branch with issue 1, and you think that you will, whenever the issue arises, you will just check out to that issue, and you think that you have some issue with your feelings, so you try opening your feelings. You think that there should be an exclamation mark in here, so you put an exclamation mark and you save that exclamation mark. So you just add those updated feelings, you commit with those updated feelings, you come back to your current status of relationship, you think that your feelings have little changed, and then you add those feelings to your mind and again, and now you realize that you had that issue and you suddenly want to merge that you have fixed that issue. So now you try to merge the issue 1 and you find out that there's some conflict, you can't merge. You try again and you try again and again and again. Fuck! Now you know why me and you are both sick. At least you get if you don't get her.